Welcome back and thanks for watching the Vision High School Sports Beat. I'm Kim Burnson. It's time now for Making the Grade, brought to you by Wegmans. Wegmans is a proud supporter of Making the Grade, which highlights the accomplishments of Section 5 student athletes on and off the playing field.
Making the Grade this week is Ashley Watrous of Newark High School. Ashley has proven herself to be a very driven individual. As a senior, she continues to set goals for herself and has succeeded in achieving those goals year after year. Ashley bowled for the varsity team at Newark, and this past season, all of her concentration and hard work paid off. She held the top average in Section 5 with a 206.62, and as a captain, led her team to a Class C title. On top of that, she landed a spot competing at states and was the DNC's Girls Bowler of the Year. Aside from what she's achieved in competition, Ashley is also a standout student carrying a 90 average and is a member of the Creative Writing Club. After school, she also participates in the junior program for the town's local ambulance base. This fall, she plans to attend SUNY Oswego and hopes her passion for bowling will help grow the sport in college. Her goal is to take the club team to the next level. Nominated for her hunger to succeed, this week Ashley Watrous is Making the Grade.
If you have a student in mind for our Making the Grade segment, we want your nominations. You can send them in to info@classywolf.com. And now here's Dave with the Section 5 Spotlight.